Have you ever dreamt of becoming a content creator? Whether you want to inspire, entertain, or educate, there is a place for you in the digital world. In this video, we are breaking down everything you need to know to get started and thrive as a content creator. Let's dive in. Before you even pick up the camera, ask yourself, why do I want to create content? That's the first thing you should ask yourself. Why content creation? Do you want to share your passion for photography? Do you want to teach people new skills or make others laugh? Content creation isn't just about making videos, it's about sharing your unique perspective with the world. Whether your goal is personal fulfillment, building a community, or even turning it into a career, the world needs your voice. So, get clear on your why and let it drive you. Number two, find your niche. Stand out in a crowded world. There are tons of content out there. So, how do you make sure you stand out? The secret is narrowing your focus. Think about what excites you the most. Is it gaming? Is it beauty? Is it sports? Is it tech? Is it fitness or something else? You don't need to do everything. You don't need to become everything. The more specific your niche, the easier it is to connect with people who share your interests. And remember, your niche can evolve over time. You're building a community, not just a channel. So find what resonates with you and stick with it. The third thing you should look at is your gear. That's your setup. But I want to put this to you. You shouldn't worry much about that. Start simple and you can upgrade as you go. Some people might think, oh, I don't have the necessary equipment and setup for a content creator. Don't bother about that. Start as simple as you can. You might think you need the latest high-end equipment to get started, but that's not always the case. Content creation can begin with the basics: a smartphone, a decent microphone, and natural light. What matters most is clear audio and visual quality. A simple setup is enough to make amazing content. As your skills grow and your audience expands, you can invest in more professional gear like cameras, lighting, and editing software. The key is to start with what you have and upgrade as you go. Number four, points to note: consistency. I always mention this in all of my videos. Consistency. Consistency is the key to growth. Be consistent. Consistency is one of the most important factors in building an online audience. Whether you are posting daily, weekly, or bi-weekly, always set a schedule and stick to it. Posting regularly helps your audience know when to expect new content from you, and it builds trust over time. It's not about perfection, it's about showing up and putting in the work. So set a schedule that works for you and stay committed to it. Number five, be authentic. Show your true self. See, people can easily detect when someone is not genuine. People can detect easily when you're faking it. So here's the golden rule: be yourself. You see, the most successful content creators are the ones who let their true selves shine through. Don't try to be someone you're not. People like authenticity. Whether you are funny, or you are the serious type, or you are passionate about something specific, don't hide it. Show your personality. Share your struggles. Celebrate your wins with your audience. The more genuine you are, the more likely your viewers will become loyal fans. Remember, people follow you and not just your content. Number six, engage with your audience. Build a community. You see, content creation is a two-way street. It's not just about uploading videos, it's about engaging with your audience and building a community. Respond to comments, answer questions, and host live streams. Social media is a great place to interact, share behind the scenes content, and build relationships with your fans. Don't just wait for the views to roll in. Create conversations and make your views seen and heard. The more you connect, the more your community will grow. Number 7, mastering SEO and hashtags. Now, let's talk about visibility. SEO and hashtags are your best friend. What is SEO? Search engine optimization. You see, by choosing catchy titles, not just catchy titles, but also descriptive titles that are relevant to your content. You have to include keywords that your audience is searching for in your description and tags. Don't overlook hashtags. They are essential for getting discovered by new viewers. Research trending hashtags in your niche and use them to help people find your content. SEO might seem complicated at first, but mastering it is a key to growing your niche. Number 8, embrace failures and keep going. See, let's get real. Failures happen. People get discouraged when they fail and they tend to give up. See, the truth is, not every video will go viral and not every post will get tons of views. But here's the thing, every failure is an opportunity to learn. Every mistake teaches you something new about your audience, your style, and your process. Embrace those failures, adapt, and keep going. The most successful content creators are the ones who push through tough times and keep improving. So, you've got this. Embrace your failures and keep going forward. Number 9, monetization. This is the point where you turn your passion into profit. See, once you've built your audience, it's time to start turning your passion into profit. Monetization comes in many forms: YouTube ads, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, merchandise, and many more. You don't need to wait until you have millions of followers to start earning. Once you've gained a dedicated fan base, opportunities will start to open up. Keep creating value, engage your audience, and explore different monetization methods. Content creation can become a full time job if you are strategic about it. Are you ready to take the leap and become a content creator? Remember, every great creator started with 0 views and 0 subscribers. The key is consistency and authenticity and passion. Start today and don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more tips on how to grow your creator journey. You've got this. I'll be rooting for you.